If a woman is abused, she's advised to be quiet and shamed if she speaks out. If she chooses to be quiet, she's accused of being an accomplice. Where you hear she must have enjoyed it to have been quiet. So, what's the way out? Welcome to Insight on Ask Nigeria. I'm Felicia Akinjudi. Today's focus is on access to justice. Are women being heard? When Aisha finally gathered the courage to report years of domestic abuse, she thought the hardest part was over. Instead, she was met with questions that shifted blame onto her. Why didn't he leave earlier? What did he do to provoke him? And without money for a lawyer and pressured by relatives to endure for the sake of peace, Aisha quietly returned home, withdrawn her case. Her story is not unique, it's the reality of a lot of Nigerian women. Across Nigeria, countless women struggle to access justice in cases of abuse, divorce, and inheritance. The justice system, which should protect the vulnerable, often become another obstacle. For many women, the journey begins with fear of stigma, retaliation, or being dismissed by authorities. Reporting abuse is still seen as a private family matter in many communities, leaving victims isolated and unheard. Economic barriers make matters worse. Legal services are expensive and court cases can drag on for years. Women who depend financially on their spouses cannot afford lawyers or transport to courts. In divorce cases, the imbalance frequently forces women into unfavorable settlements, while prolonged custody battles drain emotional and financial resources. Inheritance disputes reveal another layer of injustice. Despite existing laws, widows and daughters are still denied properties under customary practices. Many women watch helplessly as family lands, homes, and properties are taken away from them after the death of their husband or father. Challenging these traditions require legal knowledge and financial strength that many simply do not have. Yet, hope exists in small but meaningful interventions. Legal aid council, non-governmental organizations, and women's rights groups provide free or low-cost legal support, counseling, and advocacy. Shelters offer temporary safety, while community-based initiatives educate women about their rights. However, these resources remain limited and unevenly distributed, especially in rural areas. To truly ensure access to justice, reforms must go beyond laws on papers. Legal aid funding must be expanded, judiciary processes simplified, and law enforcement officers trained to handle gender based cases with sensitivity. Public awareness campaigns are also essential to challenge harmful norms and encourage reporting. Where women are denied justice, society pays the price. Justice does not hear women is income. A justice system that doesn't hear women is not complete. Ensuring women's voices are heard is not charity, it is justice. What roles are you playing to ensure this is achieved? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you follow and subscribe so we can bring you more insights on women.